Welcome to Cooking with Didem. I would like to ask you a question. What is the first thing comes to your mind when you think about Valentine's Day? It's this shape, right? And what is the second thing? Is it chocolate? Yeah, mine too. So I've decided to make some chocolate cake in heart shape, of course. So let's start. For this cake we will make three things: chocolate mousse, cacao cake and raspberry filling. We are starting with the chocolate mousse. I have cream cheese, full fat cream, powdered sugar and dark chocolate for this. First we have 80 ml cream here, and then I will just whip the cream. I have 120 milliliter cream cheese here, so I'm just a little bit going through this to make sure it's smooth. There is boiled water and I have the chocolate. Chocolate needs to melt here. I can break them a little smaller so they can melt faster. Now our chocolate is completely melted. This is my cream cheese. This chocolate slowly to cream cheese. There will be also a process with cream, powdered sugar and also vanilla. So this will be completely combined rest of the chocolate. One tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now we are also mixing this. Now it looks good enough to add the cream. And mixing everything together. This doesn't look so nice right now. We need to combine them together very well. This is how is the result for the mousse. Now I will put this to fridge for 10 minutes. I put the mousse to the fridge for 10 minutes. I turn on the oven for 170 degrees and now we will prepare our cacao cake. As usual, for all cake recipes, we start with 1 egg. 65 gram sugar. It equals to 1/3 of a cup. Quarter cup of milk, 2 tablespoons oil. Here I have the flour. It's a little bit more than half cup, 75 gram exactly. And I have a tablespoon of cacao here. I'm mixing them. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder here. I'm also adding this. Now the dry ingredients, I mix them a little bit. After mixing them slightly, I'm having my sip. Now we have a well combined mixture here. This is my cake mold. In 170 degrees, 15 to 18 minutes. I prepared this. Now we can leave it here and prepare our raspberry. Here I have my saucepan and 150 grams of frozen raspberries. Here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm adding teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay. Now we are cooking this together. We are squeezing a little bit when we are cooking it, so we can take the juice out of the raspberries. We will cook the raspberries 3 to 4 minutes. We don't want this to be completely like juice in the cake. So that's why I have 1 teaspoon of starch. I will add 1 tablespoon of water here and mix it, and then add it to the raspberries. Just mixing it until it's smooth and waiting a little bit more to raspberries to cook. It looks so good and smells so good. This will really make the cake so fresh. Lowering the heat and giving it to 2 more minutes. Now it is the time to add the starch. I'm adding the starch. Now this needs to cool off a little bit. To be able to use this heart shape, I need to also make the cake in the heart shape. So I have this paper, so I will just go through this very roughly inside, so I can put the cake in the shapes. I need a knife to cut around. Then you can push it like that, and you have you can cut this a little nicer. So we have a heart-shaped cake. I will keep repeating this. Now it is time to put everything together and start squeezing this around the shape. You don't need to make a shape, you just need to make some walls around like this. And we need to make sure all the sides has the mousse actually. Now putting a little bit of my jam, closing it with the cake. Now our cake is completely frozen. I will take it out of the mold and then cover it with chocolate ganache. So if you have little bit leftover mousse, you can fill these holes. Now we will make the ganache and cover these. Now we are starting making our ganache. I have 100 grams of chocolate here, 50 milliliters of cream. Chocolate, I will chop it small pieces so they can mix easier with the cream. And cream, I will heat the cream but not boil it and then mix them together. This is enough. It's around 35 degrees and we will slowly put it on. Now the cake is ready, it's time to taste. Now it is time to taste. Okay, it tastes so good, so good. You have to try this. It's the raspberry is amazing. I could have put a little bit more raspberry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Bye.